Recording in progress. Online students, is it audible? Is my voice is clear? Okay. Say window object, screen object, history object. Window object, how many properties? Two properties. What are those? Inner width, inner height. Methods, 7. What are those? Open, close, alert, confirm, prompt, set timeout, set interval. Screen object, how many properties? 2. What are those? Width, height. Next, history object. Note down. History object not completed, no? Note down. Third one, history object. Note down. It refers browser's history. It refers browser's history. Methods of history object. First one, back. It is used to get the backward page, which is already visited. Forward. It is used to get the forward page, which is already visited. Back. Both are visited pages only. One history back, one history forward. Like that, you can find out. It is used to get the backward page, which is already visited. Forward. It is used to get the forward page, which is already visited. Back, forward. Methods of history object. Back, forward. Is it over? So only two methods are there, back, forward. No. These are history object methods. You have to call history dot back, history dot forward. Writing is over. So browser object model, which contains with three objects: window object, screen object, history object. These objects contains properties and methods. With that, we can interact with browser. Now see. HTML, body open, body close. If you want to create a button, how to create button? Input type equal to button. This is one way. Is there one more way also? Is button tag. Button tag, button open, button close. Like this also you can write. Here difference is, suppose here you'll write something back. Okay. Here value equal to back. Value equal to back. If you write, you observe. C drive demo.html. Here back button, here back button. Any difference is there? But here what you can do is, suppose on this button some image required. Okay. Then you can use this one. In between img tag you can write. That image appears on button. That purpose we use. Okay. Now input type equal to button, value equal to back. One more, input type equal to button, value equal to forward. Like this I'll write. Then one forward button, one back button. You observe. If I click back page, forward page required. That is my task. See, first what I'll do. Okay, first code I'll write. It is back button, it is forward button. After this, script open, script close. Here on click, one function, fun1. Here on click, one more function, fun2. Here outright function fun1, function fun1. Here history one page back I want. This back method you have to call. This method in which object? History. Then what we have to write? History dot back. Okay. Next, same style. Function fun2. History dot forward. You observe, when I click back button, fun1 function called, one page backward page appears. Fun2 called, here forward page. File, save. You observe, refresh. Now, see previous page, forward, not there. I'll show you. Suppose google.com, this on page. Next, C drive demo.html. Next, facebook.com. Now you observe, this is a page. First google.com I visited. After google.com, demo.html. After demo.html, facebook.com. Now present I open again demo. If I click back, which page comes? google.com. If I click forward, facebook.com. That is, in a browser history, one page back, one page forward. That is that purpose we use. So it just like a forward, this back, these buttons are there, no? That type. Back button, back page. Forward button, forward page. This is back and forward methods. Okay. Back and forward methods. Methods not completed. No, no. Methods, screen methods are not there. Method screen you asked, not there. Now, not done. This one. Program to demonstrate back and forward methods. Program to demonstrate back and forward methods. Program to demonstrate back and forward methods. So back method, one page back side it goes. Forward method, one page forward it goes. Is it over? See, many objects are there. You studied like employee object. We created our own object. That object you have seen. Like that, document object. Element is an object. But element, whatever you are getting, that element you are storing some variable X, Y, something. That is nothing but element. Okay. Like document object, element object, those are comes under DOM, document object model. Browser objects, browser in with browser interaction. With the browser you want to interact means browser objects. With HTML document if you want to interact, document object model DOM. That is this is BOM, that is DOM. Okay. Here not only these, so many objects are there. String object, number object, Boolean object, math object, random object. Like this, so many objects are there. Everything is object in JavaScript. That library is very vast. Even in Java you studied, Java, Python, .NET, these classes you studied. Collections are there, no? Set, map, list, these all. Those objects also we have. So like that, if you learn like a Java, like a C Sharp, like a .NET, like a Python, if you learn, here also Java core, see example, core Java, how many months you learn? JavaScript also 4 months you can learn. That much time it will take. But like that, not required. Because it is only client side JavaScript. That's what like that, not required. Like that, if you learn core Java also 4 months, here also 4 months it will take. Okay. Like that, so many objects are there. Important objects, I'll explain. Important objects, I'll explain. Like a math object, date object, string object, these are important. Those all I'll cover. Okay. Next, date object. Note how to use date object, I'll show you. Date object. It is used to get the system date and time. It is used to get the system date and time. It is used to get the system date and time. It is used to get the system date and time. Methods of date object. Methods of date object. Get date. It is used to get the system date. Get month. It is used to get the system time. Does get the system month. Okay, just a date, write it enough. System date already given. System date, system time, instead of writing only month. Get full year. It is used to get the year. Get hours. Get the hours. Get the minutes. Get seconds. Get date, get month, get full year, get hours, get minutes, get string, and get seconds. ToString method also is there. It is used to get the string representation of date and time. It is used to get the string representation of date and time. Get date, get month, get full year. That is get full year, you are right. Get hours, get minutes, get seconds. ToString. Is it over? So get date, get month, get full year. These three for system date. These three for system time. If you want both, this one. Okay. ToString, one method for date and time, both. Everything. Here system time, if it is wrong, here also wrong time comes. Whatever is there in OS, that timing. Okay. According to that, it will come. Is it over? Here, object we have to create. Say, writing is over. Completed all. Say, suppose one minute. History object after this example. Now you observe, suppose document dot write, suppose date dot get date. If you write, say file save, here C drive demo dot html. So it is not working, no? Say here console, you are getting error. Date is not defined. Okay. Say if you write D capital, say still you are not getting, no? Date dot get date not a function. Like this. Actually, this object with constructor function they prepared. You studied of object creation function, constructor function. I explained, no? New you are right. Let D equal to new date. Like this. Like this you are right. Already while teaching objects, employee objects, this type, two types I taught. Let EMP equal to open brace, close brace, salary. It is one more type you studied, no? This one you studied. Let E equal to new employee. Like this you studied, no? So this type object, this type one different, this type one different. Constructor function. Already I taught this program. Okay. Already I taught this program before document object model. Now, like this you have to create. Then T dot get date. Then it comes. See, today's date 7. Like this. I want to print this format. Like this I want to print 7/12/2023 plus double quotes hyphen double quotes plus T dot get month. Okay. See 7/11 getting coming. Here 12 only is there. 1 minute. T dot get year. Full year. Get full year. This is maybe 1 minute. Get full month. Not there. Get month 7/11/2023 coming. 1 minute. Document dot write D dot to string. December you are getting, but that method only not working properly. Here complete date. Okay. Date object in JavaScript. JavaScript, this one, get full year. It is 0 to 11, like that coming. That is the reason we are getting 11. Now we have to add plus 1. That is somewhat different they given. Okay. Say they given here 0 to 11. Starts with 0. Starts with 0. Okay. Now t dot get date. After that, plus hyphen plus t dot get month. You add plus 1 yourself. Okay. Plus double quotes hyphen double quotes plus t dot get full year. Okay. Full year. Like this. That is concatenated. Brackets required. Concatenated. 11 plus 1. 12. Okay. 7, 12, 2003, 23. Now write this one. Program to get current date. Program to get today's date. Program to get today's date. Screen methods not there. Only screen, only two properties, width and height. Program to get today's date. This is created with constructor function. Constructor function, if you write like this only, you write no. I'll explain once again. See here. Say, is it over? Writing is over. Here, what we did say, here object created. That object referred by D with that get date method called. Get month called plus 1. Get full year called. Actually, you studied already. Let EMP equal to open brace, employee number equal to 101, name equal to like this. You studied no, not this one. employee number colon 101 name colon name of the employee salary of the employee. Okay. Like this we created object. Okay. Here methods also you studied. Suppose method name get function. Like this function we written. That is method. Like this we created. How to access employee number? emp dot employee number. How to access name? How to access salary? How to access get function? emp dot get. Like this we call now. Suppose if you create like this function emp. Like this you studied, no? Only one example I taught. Then how to create object? Let e equal to e1 equal to new emp employee number name. Then how to access e1 dot employee number e1 dot name. But here one more benefit, you can create one more object, separate data. Again e2 dot employee number e2 dot name. Say if object is created like this, you will write like this. If object is created like this, you will write like this. Now with this is called constructor function. Constructor function I taught already. So if you create objects like this format if you write, then new required to create object. If you create object like this, here right side object created. This object referred by emp. But here then it is called object. But here new constructor function. This is called constructor function in JavaScript. Syntax is different because JavaScript more flexible. And JavaScript object based, object oriented, different options are there. Actually, I taught only one very regular usage. There are so many ways are there. So many concepts are there. Okay. Even you studied functions also. How many ways you created? Anonymous functions and arrow functions, normal functions, even self-invoking functions also are there. Just a bracket open, bracket close, in between you can write function, you can call. That type functions also are there. Many are there. JavaScript more flexible. All different programmers can learn JavaScript according to their syntax. That's what prepared like that. Now, if you write like this, this is called constructor function. It is constructor function. If you create object like this, it is called constructor function. This is object creation. Then emp called as object here. emp only called as object. But here, object created here. That object referred by e1. Actually, this is called reference. This is called object also. That difference is there. This is called constructor function. But what is this? Refers current object. Here, while passing like this 101, while passing like this 102. This keyword refer this object memory, like that, current object. Like that it works. Here, date they created with constructor function. That is the reason we have to write like this. Okay. But previous objects, history object, screen object, window object, that type created. That's what we written like that. Window dot, date, screen dot, history dot, but date dot you cannot write. Date object you have to create, then referred by D, with that you have to call. Okay. This is today's date. How to get system time? What we are write? Document dot write d dot get hours plus colon concatenation d dot get minutes colon concatenation d dot get seconds. Time format printed. The time is proper. Yes. Okay. Now, if I refresh, see, latest time. Okay. Here, see, you observe here in this line date object created. But here, even you can pass like this also. Date, year, month. These all date, year, month. These all you can pass. Like this also you can pass. But if you don't pass anything, today's date only comes. If you write your whatever you pass, that object date comes. Okay. Like your date object created, right side date object created. That object referred by D. With that hours comes, colon concatenated, minutes comes, colon concatenated, seconds comes. That time printed, present time. Now, if I refresh, latest time, see. But automatically refreshment you studied in HTML, no? Studied, remembered or forgot? Outright. Now, automatic refreshment. One tag, one attribute I explained. I think no one remembered. Set interval JavaScript method, that is. Automatic refreshment possible, no? In HTML I taught. Which tag required, which attribute required, and in which category you studied. No one. Automatic refreshment I have shown, no? Shown or not? Studied or not? Studied. Which tag, which attribute? Value attribute. HTTP equi attribute in meta tag. HTTP equi attribute. You studied. Here, head open, head close, meta, HTTP equi equal to refresh, content equal to 1 second. Now, every second refreshed. Every second refreshed means time is changed for every second. See, time running comes. Time running program. You observe? Time running. For this one, you can make a style, no? CSS. Now, what you can do is, instead of writing like this, suppose here, H1 open, H1 close. This element, ID equal to demo. Now, how to get this one? Document dot get element by ID. Here, what is ID? Demo. Dot, what you write? Inner HTML equal to, this is you can write. Now, level 1 heading displayed. Level 1 heading. It is automatically refreshing. That is meta tag. For this, styles you can apply now. Style. H1. Can I give you border? Border style. solid. Okay. Next, if you want to decrease the width, border width, if you want to increase, decrease, this is you can do 5 pixel. Next, border color. Background color. What do you try? Background color. Okay. Text color. Color. Okay. If you want to decrease the width. Okay. This one, if you want to display center, align doesn't work. The screen center required. No? There is on body tag, body all right. Flex properties. I didn't teach this one. Flex. Flex. Justify content. Center. Align items. Center. Like this. Okay. Here, display flex properties are there. Justify content, top and bottom same margin comes. Align item, total center comes. Exact center. This center, if you want, this center already came. Okay, leave it. This background image, if you want to place, which tag? Which property? Background image. SRC. Sorry, URL. E drive, that is this is JPG. See, like this. Otherwise, gradient properties you study, no? Gradient. All right. Linear gradient. See? You observe? Okay. Like this you can display. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I mixed all. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. This background color you can change better. Ian already is there. Wide. Okay. So like this, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all I mixed, observe. In this program, you observe this is JavaScript for date purpose. This is designing style. It is HTML. It is HTML. See, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can combine like this. Note program to demonstrate. Program to get system time. Now it is every second it will refresh. One I given. If I write 5 seconds. Properties, so many are there. So many properties are there. CSS properties. Very regular usage properties I taught. So client side projects means like this only will be there. Mini projects. You can design more attractive. You can add some other CSS code. You can add some other total screen empty is there. You can add some other things. That becomes project. That's it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript combined. But only time displayed. You can add some other things to design. Flex properties and grid properties are there. Wherever you want, there you can display the output. Many are there. Alignments only. Adjustments, alignments you can use. This is for body I given. In the body alignment center I given. That division will become center. So HTML, JavaScript, CSS, all I combined. Here, what is get element by ID? Method. This method in which object? Document object. So document object dot method. Okay. Here, demo. This is ID here. Okay. That means it is empty. You observe. It is empty. This H1 element comes here. In that element, this inner HTML property to insert the content. If you want to change the content, inner HTML property. You observe get element by ID. Get element by ID. Based on ID, you will get the element. That method available in document object. Document dot get element by ID. ID name demo. That means this element comes. This element inner HTML. Nothing but in between. In between. What we are inserting? The hours, minutes, seconds. So here actually what will happen? Date object created. In that object, date will be there, time will be there. Here hours extracted, colon concatenated, minutes extracted, colon concatenated, seconds second extracted. That is totally concatenated as a one string. That string displayed here. After displaying, this style applied. This style. It is body. In that body, this content is totally centered with these three. Background, this is a given gradient. This is H1. For this one, I applied style. This is HTML. Every second, it is refreshed. Like that, program is running, continuously running. You observe. Okay. Linear gradient I given. Top to bottom. Top to bottom, linear gradient. Cyan, yellow, cyan. Transition between colors. That is gradient. Okay. This is division H1. H1 I given. That H1 border, H1 colors, all those things I given. Okay. This is a program. System time. Suppose if you want to get date, time, everything. If you want to get both date and time, document dot write date dot to string. Complete will get it. Okay, you observe. Complete. Thursday, December 7, 2023, time, everything, Indian Standard Time, everything you are getting. This is to string method. It is string format returns. Now, noted. Program to get string representation of date and time. Program to get string representation of date and time. Every day I'm uploading notes, no? Again, notes they are asking. Every day, notepad only I'm updating. As it is, I'm sending. Starting, I shared PDF files. Later, people also running notes only. That's what running notes only I'm sharing. The Google Drive order will not be there. 1st November, 1st December also may appears. Everything I uploaded, you can check it. Every day I'm uploading. After class only in 5 minutes, I'm uploading. In a Google Classroom, you will get it in order. Google Drive, you will not get it in order. Google Drive, you check it. Yesterday notes also is there. Today notes, this is I'm uploading. I'm going to upload. Is it over? This is system date and time with a two-string method. It is string representation comes complete concatenated as a one string. This is about date. Next, math object. Next node on math object. It is used to get the mathematical. It is used to use. It is used to. It is used to okay get mathematical operations. Methods of math object. Round, seal, floor, trunk, random. Many are there. Sine, cos, tan, like mathematical all operations, square root, power, many are there. It is rounded. Suppose 4.9995 if you write, it automatically becomes 5. Seal, upper bound, floor, lower bound, trunk, fractional part truncated, random, randomly one number comes. Different types. Suppose 4.999 something you'll write. If you call round, 5. Seal if you write, 5. Floor if you write, 4. Trunk if you write, 4. Like that. Random if you write, one number comes randomly. Generally, very regular, we use only random. Say, is it over? Round, seal, floor, trunk, round, random, power, square root, all mathematics related. Max, minimum, everything. So many are there. Say, for example, let x equal to math dot random. It is class method concept is there. I'll explain. Document dot write x. Randomly one number comes. You observe. If I refresh, say randomly one number, it returns either 0 to between 0 and 1 only. One number comes. Suppose if you write x into 10, if you write, what will happen? One number comes, you observe. Between 0 and 9, one number comes. Something, 1 point something. This is, I'll truncate. Math dot trunk. Truncate. Only digit comes. This number will be 0 to 9. Okay. Now, if I write into 255, between up to 255, 256 I'll write, then up to 255 comes. 0 to 255. Now, what I'll do, you observe, random color I'll apply. Random color. Here ID equal to demo. Here document dot get element by ID. Okay. Here ID name demo dot style dot color. You study no? Here, if you want to change the style, CSS style property color, color equal to RGB function. You can write RGB function. Here what you can do, math dot random. One number comes, the number truncated. Like that you can take 3 numbers, suppose. Here X, okay, directly I'll write here better. Math dot trunc into 256. Okay. Like these 3 numbers I'll take. It is red, green, blue. Now what will happen, see, here 0 to 1, in between one number comes. If you multiply with 256, up to 255, up to 255 comes, that integer part only it will take, fractional part truncated. Then you will get it between 0 to 255. Here between 0 to 255, between 0 to 255. That is I'll write here RGB. But here file save. That is double quotes required. Here double quotes, but R is a variable. Which one? Last one, B. Content not required. Body color. No, it will come. 1 minute, 1 minute. Unexpected syntax error. RGB plus R. B plus. Body PG color, background color we have to write. Color, text color, yeah. Background color. Then you will get a background color, random color. You observe, this is one color. If I refresh, one more color. So which color comes, we cannot predict. Okay. Now, if you write second every second, what you write? Head open, meta, HTTP equi, refresh. Content equal to 1. Now, you observe, Every second one color. Every second one color coming, you observe. Uh, okay. This is I have to explain. Tomorrow I'll explain. Okay, tomorrow I'll see condition. No need to write this one. Tomorrow I'll explain. Uh, Babu, just check the notes. Already Google Drive. Every day I'm uploading. Rahul, not up to November. The order you have to check it. I'll show you 1 minute wait. Otherwise, I'll show you. Yeah, Akash, there is a filters. Date wise, month wise filters will be there. You can fit, you can place. Everything is there. Up to yesterday class is there. Praveen, yeah, opacity, that order, that concept also is there. You can change light color. Possible. Come here. Online students, Vanamala, back and forward methods. What is W2? W2 I didn't write no. Any W2 concept is there? Forward. Fun 1, fun 2 methods. Okay, this is that extra word came. Prajwal, screen methods are not there. Only screen width and height. Hemachandar, today I explained no, that is like a mini project. Raja, console.log means console displayed. Document.write means they're displayed. Deepika, while joining your full stack Java course, if Selenium is there, Selenium DevOps join. New batches Selenium removed. Soumya, that is tomorrow I'll explain. Tomorrow. That's what I stopped. Raj, if possible, I'll take. Prajwal, screen methods are not there. Sai Tarun, some more examples. I'll explain. Up top, core Java not yet decided still. New batch not decided. I'll inform. Sokib, yeah, JDBC will be used in real time. Charan, frame set outdated. Sahan Kumar, I'll explain. Sahan, I'll explain. We'll see continuation tomorrow.